It's a tiny root over rock bonsai, almost 4 years old. This kind of styling is called Seki-Joju in Japanese, where a tree growing in harsh, rocky terrain, such as cliffs or mountainsides. This rock design is created by us. First we collect 2 separate flat rocks, then attach them as one with the help of cement. To give a natural look, we choose young ficus sapling with flexible roots, which used to grow on a street walls, or you can find them on some trees. Then we carefully place the roots through the gaps between the rocks, so the entire structure will look like one such tough plant is adapted to survive on a rockscape in nature. How we create this landscape bonsai, if you guys want to check out, you will find out on my shorts video, because that time I didn't shoot it for long video. Every 1 or 2 years, we need to repot our plants. They need fresh nutrients to grow and to keep them healthy. Maintaining a bonsai needs skills, patience and full dedication. To keep a bonsai in shape, we need a frequent trimming those new shoots and leaves. And watering had to be done as soon as the top layer of soil begins to dry out. These are the few tips on maintaining a bonsai. So keep watching, guys.